Sceptre 32-1500R curved display. The 1500R degree curved design immerses you completely into the gaming landscape, allowing you to spot all threats and opportunities before all of your competitors. QHD Resolution. Quad QHD Resolution is aptly named for having 4 times more pixels, 2560 x 1440, than HD, and delivers a splash of transcendent color and piercing clarity. Up to 165 Hz refresh rate. Stay above the pack with 165 Hz through DisplayPort, giving you an edge in performance as frames transition instantly. HDR400 high dynamic range, enhances dynamic contrast ratio, illuminating colors up to 50% brighter than SDR while displaying profoundly clear dark colors. Luminous Backcover Lights. A colorful LED light illuminates the back cover of the monitor, delivering a uniquely modern design. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.